Okay guys, so today I actually asked Obi to cook this meal for me. You see that? He cooked it before and he cook it again, and now it even tastes better than before. So right here, so now, as you can see, he's adding the okra. So before he add the okra, he boiled the coconut milk, natural coconut milk, add scallion, thyme, onion, and etc. tomato in it, and let that cook. The okra is raw, so he just add it just now. What nice food, yes, so. Whoa. I boiled the broad bean from scratch, and then that he had next. So after I cook up the seasoning, add the okra half cook, then he had the butter bean, right? And it's cooking up in coconut milk, no cooking oil, natural coconut. So it's like 1 minute later, he's going to add the saltfish. So this is how the recipe go, guys. The saltfish is now 1 minute later after I add the butter bean. Guys, trust me, you need to try this if you are like a vegetarian. Well, you don't have to put the saltfish, but cook it up in the coconut milk. It is so delicious. Up next, guys, is going to add a little handful of whole wheat macaroni. You know, I cook up saltfish with macaroni. I cook up saltfish with okra. I cook up saltfish with butter bean. But I never really cook it like a rundown with all of this stuff. I'm telling you, if you are a ital person and you eat fish, you need to try this recipe. It bad. When me tell you say it bad, it bad. Obi cook it already, you know, all of this mix up, and me I say, where you get that menu here for, Papa? You grew up a country? No. But him just use him common sense because him is not a meat man, and him just drying up things, which is I do that too. But it's like I just never do this one. And when me tell you say it sell off, guys, it sell off. Cause you know we have to take care of everybody when we get up in that age, and we have to cook some like a different stuff. We not have to eat meat all the time. And when me tell you say the food tastes good, it tastes good, and you need to try it. All you need to do is just add a little Maggi purpose to this and a little black pepper. You understand? And that is it. All done. Not just that, but when you taste that piece of sweet yam, yeah, you lick off your 10 toe and your 10 finger when you eat the sweet yam with that little coconut gravy oil, yeah. I know cooking oil or coconut.